LMT Onsrud are one of the leading brands for CNC tooling, well known for their commitment to providing the best quality router bits and cutting tools. All of the Onsrud tools are manufactured using ultra micrograin carbide that is ground to a fine cutting edge with a highly polished finish, providing the best possible cut for your chosen material.
We stock a wide range of these tools from 1/8 to 1/2 inch cutting diameter, which can usually be delivered for the next working day.
If it is quality tooling you're after, the single-fluted compression bit range is perfect for CNC machining. The double-fluted solid carbide compression bit are used extensively for cutting double-sides laminate. The combination of both an upcut and downcut spiral leaves a smooth edge on both sides. These tools can also be used on natural wood where edge finishing is a problem with standard spiral tools, leaving a clean edge cut. Here we can see a 3/8 of an inch compression bit cutting 1/2 inch birch face ply.